it, Debbie. Take it up. That hasn't been running quite a while. It's got air in it probably. Okay, go to the other one. You want to hold this, Debbie? I got to start this. What you got to do is... Yeah, you went the wrong way. Yeah, a baler will flatten tin pretty good, depends on what you put in there. I got these barrels in here, and this will only go down so far, so you got to keep adding metal. You got to keep on adding metal to push it down more. Yeah, this would work really good for barrels if you're standing them this way. Like there's a car hood. There's probably 6 burning barrels in there, I guess. 5 or 6 of them. Now this bracket here tells you when you're down as far as you can go. When this here goes down, and I think it's the top of that. Because see, that's slot of it. It'll only go down so far. This is the cylinder me and Debbie rebuilt quite a few years ago, and we run it off a gas engine. It's still got all the 440 3-phase stuff on here.
We must have did a good job, huh?
We must have, and I think we weighed that cylinder, and I think it was 400, and it was close to 500 pounds for that cylinder. And I'm not sure if that was the first cylinder we did or the last one. But this kind of tin here, it'll smush it right down. We got to pull the aluminum off that. So yeah, we're having our sale. We're not getting rich, but we're getting rid of a few things. We'll be doing a lot of scrapping here next week or so. We're going to start loading this stuff up Monday and fill that container, that big old thing there. This, I think I'll tear this electric motor down. It's a pretty good size one. There's a few of them I'm going to pull off stuff around here. That goes as aluminum, probably breakage. I'm going to flip this over, and like these rims go as 2 foot, so we'll take the wheel weights and the rubber plugs out of them and we'll set them separate. These shocks and stuff, I just throw them right in with a tin. So yeah, we got quite a bit of stuff. We had people picking and sold a few things. So we got to call the mosquito control Monday. We talked to them once, and I went out, and all these are going to get scrapped out. These tires here, they're not too bad. I mean, I think they're pretty good tires, but these ones are going to be scrapped. There's some more around here. I'm going to get them all right here in a line for them. Clean this area up for the most part. And I found some oil in a few of these, so we're going to... we got them on the computer for free. Some guys burn the oil for their wood stove in the garage. If anybody wants them, they're free and we can load them. A little bit of aluminum and probably stainless right there. Yeah, there's yard sales all over here, and I haven't been to any of them. I've been staying here dealing with this stuff, which is alright, but there's one of my signs. Debbie's in there in the shade. Yeah, it is hot out. So today's our last day of our sale. We got a lot to get rid of yet. Got a little seed siffer there, I guess it is. That motor I'll probably keep. I think that's a 3-horse. Man, I thought maybe I could get a video in before people stopped again. I'll go through this stuff later. That's pretty much breakage and aluminum and copper type stuff there. Hey, thanks for stopping by. Have a good day.